Okay, today's our topic is about equations of motion for vertically projected upwards. So what is meant by vertically projected upwards? When a body is projected upwards, that means we are going to project it upward. So we are having ground. From the ground itself, we are projecting a body upwards. Okay, and we are having the displacement of certain height, which we are having certain height, and yeah, so whenever the body is projecting upwards, that means when the body is here moving, the body is moving, it is projecting upwards. So obviously the velocity decreases when the body reaches at the top of its position. Okay, and also it is against the gravity. You know that the gravity direction will be downwards, but here we are showing projecting upward means we are applying opposite direction to the gravity. So here we can take that the gravity is minus g. That means negative mark will be there. And for this we are going to write the equations of motion. We know that the equations of motion are v equals to v plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equals to 2s. These are the three equations which we are having, and now we are going to write the equations same for vertically projected upwards. So here the s will be replaced with h, a will be replaced with z. So now the equations will become v is equals to u minus g, h equals to ut minus half gt square, v square minus u square is equals to minus 2z. And for also for nth equation we are having Sn is equals to u plus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. For the same equation, hn equals to u minus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. So why we are getting the minus here means we are applying or we are projecting the force, or we are projecting the body in the opposite direction of gravity.
Go.
So these are the equations when we projected the body upwards. But the condition will be when we are projecting the body upwards, we are using some velocity. That means here u. But when the body reaches its maximum height, here the final velocity v is equals to 0. And we are having one equation v square minus u square is equals to 2zh. V square minus u square is equals to 2zh, and this should be minus 2zh. Now we are having u, but here the v square will be 0 minus u square equals to minus 2zh. Minus u square is equals to minus 2zh. U minus minus gets cancelled. U square is equals to 2zh.
Go.
From this maximum height h is equals to u square by 2z. This is the maximum height which we reached when the object is projected vertically upwards. So the h is equals to u square by 2z, and while the conditions is here v is equals to 0. Why? Because at the top, and when the body reached maximum height, the final velocity will become 0. Whenever the final velocity will become 0, then only the object again come down to the ground.